Hi! In front of me is TCL 206 and today I would like to show you how you can pick style of your font on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing display section. Now scroll down and click on font style. Lastly, select one of those fonts. I will go with that one and tap on apply. Then wait a couple of seconds and as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by choosing display, then font size, font style, and clicking on default font. Lastly, select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!